Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is February 7th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking over this market, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading higher by about 5 points. You can see futures were even a bit higher than this, but they have come back in a little bit. Again, yesterday was pretty much a little bit of a minor down day at best. I could really say it was a flat day overall. But nonetheless, markets did carve out some losses on the final print. So we'll see how today plays out, but we have lots of stocks in the news. Let's get started. We're going to start off with BP, which is up first here. They report an earnings. Stock right now is trading at $34.68. Closed at $35.82. The only level that really excites me today for a bounce play would be around $32.90, maybe $33. It gets down there, I will be in on the long side. So keep that level on the radar today. BP gets down to around $32.90. I think there is a trade in this stock. Again, this is an energy play, so the price of oil could affect the price of the stock today. But you get this thing around $32.90. I do think that's a nice play there. I'll try to have some other levels for BP this morning posted up in the intraday stock chat room right around 9 o'clock in the morning. But keep that $33 level, $32.90 level on the radar. Let's take a look at KORS. They reported earnings as well. This is a retailer. Stocks right now trading at $36.54. It closed at $41.28. So this is a pretty good haircut here. The only next level that I see for support really is going to be around the low made in January of last year, and that's going to be around $34.83. So you'll have a double bottom low there going back to last January. Again, that is lower, so you want to be careful here with KORS. Stock is not showing us a whole lot of strength right now, and not a pretty chart. So we'll see how this one plays out, but there's not much I would look to do with this stock at this point in time. Next up, we have Mosaic. MOS is the ticker symbol here. Stock's been all over the map right now, trading at $31.90. It closed at $32.03. So no real harm done. If this stock pulled back to around $29.35, I think there could be a scalp play there. So keep that level on your radar today. Let's look at General Motors. They reported earnings as well. Right now, the stock is trading at $36.45. It closed at $36.83. So a little bit of down ticking. There's still a lot of support around the 35 level. If it pierces 35, $34.90, still a big support level for General Motors this morning. Let's take a look at Gap Stores. Looks like they guided higher. Stock right now is trading at around $23.45 right here. This did close at $22.98, so it's got a little bit of an uptick. I don't know if we're going to really anoint it or anything else. I'm going to have to look at this one once the opening bell rings. Stock's been so weak as of late, I just don't have enough faith in it, nor do I have faith in the chart pattern, really, to get seriously long Gap Store. So we'll see how this plays out, but right now, upticking a little bit ahead of the opening bell. We will look at this one once the market starts at 9:30 in the intraday stock chat room. And once again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, we had another pretty good day yesterday, and we're going to look to keep that going. So come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You get to follow our desktops live, see everything that we're doing. And again, we're looking to have a great banner 2017. Let's take a look at GW Pharma. Ticker symbol is GWPH. And what you'll see here is stock is trading at $122.50, closed at $120.76. So again, upticking a little bit. It's still going to be a little tough to get through the 124.5, 125 level, but there is a lot of resistance all the way up. So you want to be careful with this one. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I wouldn't do much with it here. Let's take a look at FOXA, which is 21st Century Fox. Stock right now is trading at $31.05. Closed at $31.06, so it's chopped around a little bit, but basically right where it closed. I do think this is already overbought, so I'd be careful with it on the long side at this point in time. After a pullback, you could look at it, but that would be sometime in a week or two. I wouldn't do much with it at the moment. Let's take a look at Restoration Hardware. I did see this was downgraded today. Stock right now is trading at $25.94. $1.52. This is just not a good chart to trade. So be careful with Restoration Hardware. There's nothing I would look to do with it here. We'll look at it in the intraday stock chat room, see if it gives us some kind of a pattern. But again, little gap down, downgrade. And, again, when stocks like this that are beaten up so bad get downgrades, I'm always interested on the long side, because why are they downgrading the stock now? Why didn't they downgrade it when it was at 100? But the point I'm trying to make here is it's still a weak chart, and you still got to respect that. So I'll be looking at Restoration Hardware with some binoculars today. But again, I'm just not seeing anything on it right now. Let's take a look at Cardinal Health. And what you'll see here for Cardinal Health is that it's trading at it closed at $75.97 yesterday. It's basically trading right there now. So we're not going to do a lot with this one right now. But if this stock gets up to around $80.35, that's pretty much all the upside I can see in the name. So there should be a lot of resistance around 80.35 if it does get up there today. Again, I'll be watching this one as well, and I'll let you know everything that I'm seeing in the intraday stock chat room. All right, let's switch gears here and go over to the gold market. Gold is trading down about $1. Gold broke out yesterday with a pretty big move. GLD today is trading at 117.18. Spot gold right now down $1, trading at 12.31 an ounce, $1,231 an ounce. So gold holding pretty steady. This comes even on the back of a stronger U.S. dollar. Take a look at the dollar today. The dollar is roaring and soaring, trading back above 100. Next up, we have crude oil. Crude oil today is trading down 41 cents to $52.60 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF, you'll see that's trading at 11.27, closed at 11.38. So again, oil ticking down. I do see support for the USO probably around the $10.90 level, 10.85, somewhere there. So we'll see how oil plays out today once the opening bell rings. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial. You'll see what it's all about. We've had a great start to 2017, and we're going to look to keep improving on that each and every trading day. With that being said, everybody, have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.